the best invention I've seen in years.
We're going to install the front drop guard to show you guys where it's placed. It's very easy to do. If you'll look on the engine guard, as it comes up, it kind of straightens out. As it straightens out from the bend, just take your drop guard, lay your gasket inside the body, and just line it up with the top, even with the straight part of the drop guard, okay? Take your strap with the rubber gasket inside, place it over the top, hold it with your 2 fingers, place the screw in with a lock washer, add your acorn nut, and just tighten it down just a little bit. Replace your fingers with your left hand, take a screw on the right side, slip it through, add a lock washer, add an acorn nut, and now tighten it down. You want to make sure you have even pressure on both sides of the strap. Just finger tighten it. Okay, now the drop guard's on. Now you just take your 1/2-inch wrench with your Allen wrench, just start tightening the screws. I tighten it with the Allen wrench first. I hold the nut, the acorn nut, with my wrench while I tighten it up, make everything even, and when I do the final tension, I do the final tension with the wrench. You want to make sure there's even spacing on each side of the drop guard. You don't want it touching here and wide open on this side. I have an even amount of space here, and as I tighten it up, I'll close that space until the screws are tight. That's how easy it is. The rear drop guard, it should be on the side of the saddlebag bar, not down here in the bend. If you put it in the bend, you're going to be striking this right in the middle between the fasteners. You want the impact to be occurring right here. Now we're going to install the primary. It's very simple to do. I've already removed the first screw out of the first hole, okay, at the 5 o'clock position. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this one. I've already loosened it. Just bring it on out. Take your primary indicator that we send you, line it up with the holes, okay, just like this, put it up here, and now just kind of tighten it up. First screw, just enough to get it in there. The second screw, enough to get it in there, and then just start even tension on each side. A bit more on this side. It's pretty easy if you have your motorcycle on a jack stand too. That way you don't have to get down on the ground. And just cinch it up, nice and even. Now you can either tighten it hand tight with a T-wrench, or you can take a regular Allen wrench and just tighten it up hand tight. I do not use Loctite on these. Just tighten it up. There you go. That's the primary indicator. 2 screws. Very simple. And it'll protect this whole area right here.